What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the MITOLYN before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the MITOLYN works. What is MITOLYN? MITOLYN is an innovative, natural supplement formulated to enhance metabolism, boost energy, and support effective weight loss. According to numerous MITOLYN reviews, this supplement stands out because it addresses the root causes of low energy and slow metabolism using safe, plant-based ingredients. How does MITOLYN work? MITOLYN supplement helps you achieve weight loss by boosting metabolism for increased calorie burn, improving fat oxidation and converting fat into energy, enhancing energy levels naturally, preventing fatigue, reducing cravings and supporting appetite control. Key ingredients in MITOLYN supplement. Green tea extract, enhances metabolism and supports healthy fat loss. L-theanine, promotes sustained focus and stable energy. Chromium, regulates blood sugar, reducing cravings. Ginger extract, aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Cinnamon, helps balance blood sugar levels and metabolism. Biotin, boosts metabolism and supports overall vitality. Vitamins B6 and C, improve immune function and energy production. These powerful, natural ingredients ensure that MITOLYN supplement effectively supports your weight loss journey. Benefits reported in MITOLYN reviews: faster metabolism and efficient fat burning, increased energy without crashes, improved mental clarity and reduced fatigue. Natural ingredients with no harmful side effects. Easy to take capsules, suitable for daily use. MITOLYN 90-day money-back guarantee. Concerned about trying MITOLYN? Don't worry. MITOLYN supplement comes with a risk-free, 90-day money-back guarantee. This ensures your satisfaction and confidence in making the purchase.